Hello everyone, my name is Tanish. I am from Bangalore and my hobby is to create many Lego designs from blocks. Now I have created one Lego design which is a police truck in front of me. Now let's talk about the front part. It is a wide front bumper and it also has a movable bull bar and has 3 grills and has 2 headlight and 2 indicator and has a night vision visor which can spot thieves and track thieves which can be opened and has 4 guns and 2 missiles and a AC. It has a radar scanner fixed on a movable door and has a TV which is controlled by the levers and has a fuel tank and movable doors, and it also has a thief tripping device which can be folded and it has hydraulic doors which can be opened. It has lot of space to carry prisoners and has a antenna on the top of the truck and tail lights. So this is my truck and its features I have shown you. Okay, bye bye. Thank you for watching.